Hello, this is Christine from Coldwell Banker, and I'm here today to give you a tour of this exquisite villa that has recently been listed. It is a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom, 1579 living square feet, and is listed at $395,000. You have a screened-in front patio. Glass insert front door, ceiling fan, and the keypad entry. This house is equipped with a full house generator and all impact glass. So here we have the laundry room. A very nice drop zone area, which is a great area to build something in, cabinets or a desk.
Entry, door, open.
2-car garage with epoxy flooring and the sink. Linen closet. The first of 3 bedrooms. All tile throughout the home, no carpet, crown molding throughout, 8-foot doors, and the kitchen, dining and living. You'll notice all of the upgraded lighting that's been put in. They did over $70,000 in upgrades in this home. This is the second bath with a full walk-in shower. The second of 3 bedrooms, which is being used currently as their den. All TVs in the home will stay. They're also willing to sell partially furnished if that interests you. This is the quartz counters, 42-inch cabinets, stainless appliances, gas, and the full vented hood, double sink, and the upgraded, extended bar area with the beverage refrigerator and wine storage. The electrical outlet in the floor. And this is the ensuite primary, very nice size. Tray ceiling. There are fans, remote controlled, in all of the 3 bedrooms. The ensuite bath with double vanity, walk-in shower, tile to the ceiling, water closet, linen closet, and a very, very nice, large, oversized walk-in closet in the primary. Now I'll take you outside. They have the oversized extended lanai, ceiling fan, lighting. There is also electronic storm shutters that come down if there is a hurricane, so that becomes all enclosed, hurricane proofed. And a beautiful landscaped berm view with a little fenced in doggy area. So again, this is $395,000, complete with impact glass, full house generator, tile throughout, crown molding throughout, 1579 living square feet. If you have any interest in this home, please call Christine, 561-906-7599. Thank you.